Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. I cannot stress it enough. That bell is really important. Turn it on so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm in such a good mood. Why the lighting looks so? The lighting just bright up in my face. But anyways, we're not gonna stare yourself for too long. Finally I come home. Guys, from just to leave, a bare puss not me I take. Me can't sleep good without him. So I'm excited about that. However, and him did just leave me this sad and you know. But tell me why me happy now. Like Jason now come home and me I say, that's been 2 more days. Don't tell him I said that. But for true, like me just get to love the look of alone time. It just feels so good. Like me I say, alright, 2 more days won't hurt. Anyways, me excited for my baby come home. And guess what? Boss man requested his favorite meal. So we're gonna go into the kitchen go prepare that. It's not gonna be like a little tutorial because we don't always see me prepare that at Jason's favorite food. So we're gonna do some stew chicken with steamed vegetable and white rice. Normally Jason would have take rice and peas. I don't know how Jason love rice and peas, but surprisingly him say want it with white rice. So that's what I'm about to prepare. Anyways, let me just go and talk. We don't know, before me going to the kitchen, I got a lot of stuff done. I went and did my hair and my nails. Guys, tell me, una like that red hair? So pretty. Well, tell me what una think. Me think it pretty. A red hair is giving classy. What else is giving? Comment in the comment section and tell me what it's giving. But I really love them, so I went, I did my hair, I did my nails. Me go buy up look 1 or 2 things I did want. Me go on a lunch date with myself. And it felt so good because normally me and Jason would do everything together. And me just sitting and eating by myself felt so good. Anyways, so that's how it did happen. What else? What else I'm supposed to tell you guys? Yeah, that's all. Not to mention, may I enjoy how much the house is clean. Like everything is just in place. Me have a serious problem. I want the house to always look like no one, absolutely no one is living in it. That is my problem. And it not gonna work because we live in there. I'm gonna try to maintain it and stuff like that. Right now the vibe in the house is just it's just nice, quiet. The house smells so good. Not saying when Jason there it doesn't smell good, but when I get with me I say me like my candle. Oh, it just feels so good. That's why me I said Jason could have take 2 more days if he did one. But anyways, I miss him. Ready to snuggle up and cuddle up. But right now, for real though, the house is clean. You know, my music I play, my candle light, the bed spread, neat and tidy, the living room clean, the bathroom clean. But enough of that, we're gonna go into the kitchen and we're gonna prepare the food. Let us go. So you don't know me, Miss Propecia. I washed and stripped all of these already. Seasoned my chicken from yesterday with my green season and my powder season. And I strip off the cabbage. So really and truly, I will just put the food in the pot and make it cook and cut up the stuff them. That's all. I'm just trying to be a good little wifey. Is it easy? No. Is it fun? Majority of the times. Would I want to trade it for any other life? No. You see, when you have stuff under control, like how you communicate, and also for compromise. Why people always leave out that? For compromise, trust me, it works hand in hand with communication. But yeah, when you have certain stuff under control, it's fun. You know, but you have your days then when things just really not go good. I'm telling you this, me will never come and act like things always good. No, because me have my ways and Jason have his ways. But what we do is try to communicate when something got bad, and because we have arguments where it never did have to end up like where it did end up. But after that we realize that we're wrong and stuff like that. We come and we apologize and we talk it out. That's the best part. Anyways, it's not always easy, but when you have stuff under control, you'll enjoy your relationship. Like, you know, talk what you like, what you can tolerate, what him can tolerate, what you can tolerate, what him can tolerate, and then you come together and compromise and then see how things work from this. So as me say, furthest thing from easy. Yeah, me go start cook. Alright. So that the pan stove. I'm gonna put some cooking oil in it to go and heat up. Guys, I'm wearing a dress. A very long dress. Is the dress long or tall? Here long, right? So I guess the dress tall? Maybe. Nothing wrong if I use Google. If my phone didn't hear me, use Google. Guys, use Google. Use it. If you're not sure, if you're sending a text message and you're not sure about the word, use Google. Don't be afraid. No shame in your game. Because trust me, it's better if you Google it more than you send it and somebody laugh after you or say, what is? What is? You get me? Use Google. It won't hurt. I must wonder, like, girl, you can't do nothing else other than knotless. Listen, I love knotless. It suits me. And also, I never did a plan for the knotless. I did a plan for do something else to my ear. I couldn't find the ear what I did want. I say, you know what? I'm do my look at one hairstyle. It never failed me yet, so here am I with knotless. Again, this time it's a little bit smaller. The green seasoning on this make it smell so good. Guys, I know what I think. That one let me for prank Jason. Or just don't spoil the day. What do you think? Alright, I'm not gonna spoil the day. Or spoil it. Could I prank him, make it look like I have somebody locked up in the room. You know, just act guilty. I said, babe, why you never tell me say I leave out? Yes, because Jason I tell me say I'm leave out yet. I don't know if I'm leave out. I only know say I'm come home today. Some would have just act like somebody in the room. Mr. Baby should have tell me. Should have tell me so you come now and, you know, back in from going to the room. What do you think? Anywhere. May I think about it. Because I know someone will probably say, Angel, nobody spoil the day. And then someone will say, yes girl, do it. I gotta think about it.
You told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade.
So I'm done making dinner. I'm gonna wash up back the dishes. So right now I'm gonna just watch a movie and go and relax until Jason come home and then we can take it from there.
I am so sorry. I'm letting you not believe the day I had. First I quit again and the Owens case got deferred. Then I broke the Old Wood case and violated their tenancy agreement back in 2012. Anyway, how are you?
With everything. I hope you make partner.
I finished watch the movie good while now. I fell asleep after the movie. My phone literally frightened me out of my sleep. Jason called me to tell me how far. Jason I reach home, my guys. But him still reach home. Him call me and tell me how far him there. But right now, me I go bed. I don't know why me I do this to myself. Because me cold. The house cold. It's raining, guys. But me go shut me eyes tight. I'm go bed. After that, so I share out Jason's dinner. I have the food for pop up in the fridge. So I just brush my teeth and bed and come out. When I now put in the toothpaste and on a toothbrush. When I wet the toothbrush first, then put the toothpaste on it. Or you put the toothpaste on it and then wet it. So let me tell you what I do. I normally rinse out the toothbrush first, put the toothpaste on it, and then when I put the toothpaste on it, I put it back underneath the pipe and wet it again. What wanna do? Or am me weird? Or wanna just take it up and put the toothpaste on it and then brush your teeth? It's a weird question, but let me know. Just outside. Anyways, me just throwing the pajama top here. I'm gonna put on the bottom feet. This come with one next pajama. Anyways.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Nice.
When they want like a first mess, my man. Anyways, I go share with him food.
How much do you know me taste my wife cooking? 1 week. 1 full week. I miss lying down to sleep and cuddling. I'm in the country. We'll kill him every night.
So what the blanket will you carry?
I didn't lend you out.
Didn't I use it? Should I carry one? Next one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that juice are firm, you know. You mix everything?
Yes, babe. So I think I'm gonna end off the vlog right now and start a new vlog when it's close to our special day or on the day. Let me see if I remember. Let me see who will comment it. I'm not tell you now. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, before me even finish off, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. I know I'm not gonna cuss me out about the length now, but I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100k. I love you guys. Bye.